Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's been a crazy couple years and it's been taking a toll on me. So I'm hoping to be back with more regular content. I have a ton of items I would love to show you today. One of my favorite things to do is to go to the thrift store or the secondhand store. I have a couple local ones here that I absolutely love. I have some footage that I'll show you of while I was shopping. I don't love filming while I'm shopping, but I do have some footage of what the insides of mine look like. I always find the best stuff at like the smallest little places. And I don't know if that's just my area or what, but anyways, I will get right on with it. And some extras that I got at a few of my local thrift stores. What I'm going to start with is we have a few thrift stores around my area. One of them has a couple sections. They have like an open section, which is by weight, and then they have a priced section. So typically the newer stuff, the name brand stuff, that kind of goes to the price section. So I'm going to start with the priced items. So a couple of the things that I got at that first store, I should have organized this beforehand. The other thing I find is that you can find like older stuff, like stuff that used to be around, which I've never known about it. So the first things I got are these decorative staple bars. It's EK Success, so the EK Tools brand, which is a brand that I recognize. So I got these for $1, and then anything with a red swipe on it was 50% off the day that I went. So I got a few packages of this one. This one's got 48 staple bars in it. It says that they're for a decorative stapler. Okay, I can't open that one, but I'll show you the other one. So the next one I got is the same deal. There's 144 in this one. And it says giggles, fun, laughter, silly, playful, and happy. These just look super cool. I've never seen anything like them. And I'm thinking that I will be able to use these to like attach a vellum sheet on top of a card, or to layer stuff, kind of like you would use like a rivet, but it's just a thick staple. And if you can see the side there, I'm thinking that I might be able to just punch it through on my own. Obviously it'll be a little bit more difficult since I don't actually have the stapler, but I think I could just punch it through on my own and then fold over the back. So as you can see, this was originally $8.49 wherever it was sold. I got it for $3 with a 50% off. So this was $1.50. This first set was 50 cents. So that was a great deal. I got another set. Whoever destashed their house, I looked everywhere. I was looking for this stapler because I Googled it while I was there and I couldn't find it. So either they kept the stapler, or the stapler went first, or it was sorted somewhere else, or it hasn't been put out yet. But in any case, I did look online for the stapler. It's a little bit pricey, and I'm going to just see if I can use them first as is. So this again, $2 on this one. Don't know the original price, but you get 72 rainbow array of colors, and it was 50% off. So this was $1. I'm really excited about these. I got a bunch of them. As you can see, again, whoever had these at their house was obviously destashing. $3 for this set, 144. And this set, I don't know if you can see, has like it's like gold and like a copper and a silver, but it's got like some decorative trim on it. These I thought were beautiful. So yeah, 144 of these ones. And all of these packages are like brand new, like they're totally sealed. Great find on those. And I have one more of that type. This one's called A Day at the Beach. And this one's just got some like fun patterns on it. Again, I really just thought that these would be interesting to add like a layered flap on a card and staple it. So $2. And this one was 50% off again with this pink tag, which is crazy because it means it was sitting there for a little while. So I'm not sure. I don't know if maybe people just didn't want to get it because they didn't have the machine, but I am crafty and I am industrious, so I'm going to find a way to use these. So I got all of these in sort of the same realm. I got these. They're called, I don't know, they're eyelet quotes. I've never seen these. This looks like a Michaels sticker to me. That it was $6.69. They were on sale for $5. I got them for $1.50 with a pink tag. It's 3 metal, like they're decently heavy. 3 metal like quote pieces, and it's hard to see. I don't want to open them just yet, but they have a post on the back, and apparently you just set them like a 1/4 eyelet. I'm kind of excited to see how those work. So there's 3 in here, and it says, what one loves in childhood stays in your heart forever. The happiest sound in the world is that of children laughing, and may you never lose your sense of wonder. So I just thought these were cute. If I don't use them, I'm okay to donate them back. But for 75 cents, I figured it was something worth trying. The next thing that I got are curling tags. It says they're for card making, 54 tags, 6 of each tag, and that it includes storage containers. So there's little plastic boxes in here. They are just like little like metal tags. This one says happy birthday. There's one in there that says congrats. This one says thank you. Thank you. There's one in there that's just got like a cutout of like a heart. And this one says hi and I love you. If you can see the side of them, it looks like you just kind of fold them over and they crimp onto the paper. So I thought those were super cute. There's what you get in the back. And kind of an example of how they're used. There is a tool called a tag curler, again, associated with this, but I think that I could just fold these over by hand. I got this. The brand is Paper Bouquet, which I've never seen before, but that doesn't mean anything. I got it. It was $1 with 50% off, so 50 cents. And it is 2 plastic templates to make takeout boxes, which are so cute. And I do have a Cricut, which I use like all the time, but I find sometimes it's honestly just easier to cut some stuff out by hand, especially when I'm just doing one. So this is this is one of the templates, and you would cut along this side, and these are your score lines. And this is the second one. They are just like teeny tiny, but they're super cute. They would fit nice. You could put them on like easily on a 12 by 12 piece of paper and make your own little like takeout box style things. So I think those are so cute. My son's birthday is in September, and we are doing a Super Mario themed birthday. And I'm thinking I could probably use these to make up some little gold boxes with question marks on them and hand them out as favors. The last thing I got from that store, which I'm super excited about, and I always look for when I go to the thrift store, there's a couple things that aren't necessarily a craft supply, but they're in kind of that same area that I always look for. And that is projector film. And let me tell you, it's seriously the best deal you can find. This stuff is a little bit different, so I'm going to open it up because I'm not totally sure. The last package that I got a few years ago now, because I got it the last time I posted a thrift store haul. And I bought a package of it. I can't remember again how much it was, but it's actually from the same store. And somebody obviously had donated it. And it wasn't a full package, but I got a lot of them. And that is what I actually use as my acetate sheets. So this one here, $3. And blue tags, I think, were 25% off when I got it. So I didn't even pay the full $3, but the seal, it's fully sealed. And it is label on overhead projection transparency film for laser printers. Since nobody's really using overhead projectors anymore, or not as much as far as I know, I haven't been to school in a few years, it's always getting donated. It's always showing up places, and I always get it because I stock up on it, because eventually they're not going to have it anymore. So yeah, instruction sheet in here. But as you can see, so this one's a lot better than the last package I got. The last package was all just thrown in here, but each piece has a paper backing, so you know that the back is not scratched. But I'm trying, it's perfect. Like, it's a nice acetate sheet. This is perfect for making shaker cards. Like, this is amazing. So I'm so happy. Look at how many sheets I got. And these are full sheets, like full 8.5 by 11 sheets. There's 50 sheets in here. 50 sheets. 50 sheets. It's a little bit thinner than the other stuff I had, but honestly, this works like a dream. And it makes me super happy that you can, it's a recycled item. So somebody had it, didn't have use for it, and I am able to show it some love and recycle it, keep it out of a landfill, and make something beautiful out of it. I will forever be buying transparency film for my crafting purposes. The next store that I went to works on the same principle as they have the tags on things, and then they discount them once they've been there for a certain amount of time. Nothing is ever very expensive, even if it is like the full price week for that color, and I can tend to find a lot of stuff there. So the first thing that I got there was this. So that's the name of the store, the Mission Thrift Store, and it's just a whole bunch of ribbon. So I paid $1 for this, which is typically a little bit more than I normally will spend. So maybe this was about a week and a half ago, so it's possible that maybe blue was 75% off. Anyways, it's in 4 chunks. And it's just this really pretty purple ribbon. It's it's got spots on the other side. Anyways, super pretty ribbon, like a decent chunk of it, and 4 of them for only $1. And most of the ribbon that I use just as kind of like accents, so I never really need that much. Just small little, I have a lot of it, but I don't ever need that much of one exact color or size or whatever. And I just kind of throw it on when I'm feeling in a ribbon mood. So I always kind of check out the ribbon. There's always a lot of that. The next thing that I got was this one. And this I spent $1 on as well. And I can remember my mom having this kind of thing like when I was younger. I'll be honest, I'm not really sure what she ever did with it. Her and my grandma actually used to have it, but I thought it was super cute. I love the color of it. So it's from Zellers. So my Canadian friends, if you remember, Zellers has been gone for a large number of years now, but I think it's, yeah, they've got like flowers here made with it or whatever. Anyway, so I'm assuming that this package is full. It's 6 yards or 5.5 meters, and it's just a twisted paper. So you could use it like this, but you can also unravel it, and it's just nice, and it's already kind of textured for you. Like you could snip off a piece and have that as like in the background of a card, or like you could easily do like some sort of a bow decoration with it. Like so. Anyways, I thought that was really cute. I really like the colors. I'm not a pink person, but I've been loving this blush pink lately, and they came together. And that package was $1 or less. I can't exactly remember which tags. I know green was 50% off, but I can't remember the other tag. So they do blue, yellow, red, and green. So green was 50. So one of the other ones was 75% off. I just can't remember which. So, but not a big deal. The last thing that I got there actually was this set. So green was 50% off. So this I only spent 25 cents on. And these I was really excited to see there. I don't know if somebody did them themselves, because these are just like the bags that the craft store or the thrift store uses. But so these are so pretty, and I'm pretty sure they're real flowers. I mean, I don't know. They're so pretty and so delicate. And this top half, so again, I got all of it for 25 cents. There's 12 in this set. Oopsies. And I haven't used much dried flowers in my things, but honestly, for 25 cents, I couldn't give it up. And again, these look like real flowers. So somebody spent a lot of time doing this, which just makes me feel bad that they didn't get to go to use. So some pansies for sure. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's an African violet. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's a pansy. Anyways, not sure what that is, but just a little selection. Obviously, I'm not going to get, you know, huge quantities of cards or crafts out of it. The next thing that I saw that I was pretty excited about was this. Again, not using these to drink out of crafting purposes only. and I'm going to be keeping this tag on it. I do have a lot of paper straws that I do make actual like straws to be used as straws. So I have those all separate with their brand new tags on them. I know which ones are there. So I'm going to be leaving, they're staying in this package. They're leaving with this on it so that I know I did buy these used. So they're not going to be added to anything that's going to come in contact with food or anything. A lot of the times I can snip these and use them in craft projects as a brace or kind of similar to a dowel without adding too much weight to a card. But this is, as you can see, an entirely full package of craft paper straws. And craft paper is nice because you're not wasting a pattern, and they're actually really rigid. Originally, these are from IKEA. I'm not sure the original price, but I got these for at most 50 cents, but it's possible that this was 75% off. But anyways, that's what I got. Last two things that I did pick up on my little shopping trip were actually from the dollar store, but I figured I would just show you. So my local dollar store has had some cute little papers in. Again, these I don't use as like full card bases or anything, just because they're not quite rigid enough to be like a card base or anything, but they do add a nice layering piece. So this package I got 6x6, 12 designs, 2 sheets of each, 24 sheets. And this is all the designs. This was $1.25. So that's what I got at the thrift store. Thanks so much for tuning in. I have a ton of other videos planned. I have a ton of craft supplies coming in. I've been ordering craft supplies like it's my job, and I have a ton of inspiration right now. So I'm just kind of going with it and keeping the motivation going. I am going to go and organize all my little goodies here, and I will be back a little bit later to show you some other things. Have a great day. Bye.